Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the second box of Karin markers that we have received, and this is the Pigment deco brush set. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is how the packaging of the box looks like. Now let's open this up.
I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody.
The three boxes that I got in this pack were basic colors, violet blue colors and passion colors. Now let's open them one by one and see what's inside. First of all, let's open the basic colors. So there is a small area provided for the swatching of the colors, although I'm gonna use a different paper. Also there are some instructions so that we can keep our markers in good shape. These will prevent your markers from drying out. Each box of Pigment deco brush set comes with a customized sticker set so that we can merge different colors from different boxes and form our own kit. So all the basic colors like red, yellow, blues are present in this box. Now let's go to our next box, that is the passion color set. Now this box will contain mostly all the hues of pinks, reds and yellows, like warm shades of reds. So I love these shades very much. And last but not the least is the violet blue color set that contains all the hues of blues and aqua blues and violets, and these are like pretty awesome. Now let's go to the swatching of these colors. I have made this a swatch card with black strips so that I can test if these colors are opaque enough to perform well on the black. So starting with a white, and I was stupid enough to not know like what they will work like, so I just kept dragging it on the black paper, and unfortunately the white nib of the pen grabbed the grayish part and it turned gray. Keep watching as I make a numerous number of mistakes in this video, and I'll meet you soon in a few minutes.
If you can't be right, yeah. I do the same.
Funny thing, the black color is much more pigmented than the paper.
I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay. Need you to stay. I get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted still. Realize the time that I wasted. I feel like can't feel the way I'll be fucked up if you can't be right. Yeah, I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.
So one thing that I noticed about these markers is like they are very pigmented. They have to be opaque enough to work on several surfaces, so the ink is made very pigmented. So that's why these markers dry out very fast. So to keep them from drying, we need to turn them upside down so the ink can float the nib. So that is one thing that I should have done here, but I'll do that in the next box. So
When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'ma fuck it up. Need you to stay. Be fucked up if you can't be right. Yeah. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I'd change, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. I get drunk, wake up, I'm wasted still. Realize the time that I wasted. I feel like you can't feel the way I feel.
one more thing that I noticed while swatching is that these markers will work much better on a plain surface and a much smoother surface. And I used a watercolor paper for this swatching, so that's why they might be acting a little bit rough on the paper. So it's much better if you use them on very smooth surfaces like plastic or glass. So that is what I feel they should be used much more for.
If you can't be right, reason I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'ma fuck it up.
So this is how our swatches look like. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, then do drop a heart and tell me in the comment what should I do next. Check out my art on Instagram, link in description, and thank you so much for being here. Bye bye.